Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview swimming pool with filter pump. Kids and adults of all ages can enjoy swimming and splashing in this above-ground pool. This pool the affordable alternative to a more complicated steel-walled pool, yet it provides durability and stability greater than inflatable pool options. Extra strong sidewalls are made with 3 separate layers of material. It's tear-resistant and won't fade over time to sun exposure. Get ready to watch your kids' eyes light up when they see this round frame above-ground pool set up in your backyard. Product benefits. No tools are required to install. A durable, lightweight PVC material provides structural integrity to your pool. The pool set frames are applied with a corrosion-resistant coating to protect the pool from UV and abrasion damage. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.